doing a video.
Okay, Justin, come here and pick a sticker. Okay, we're putting the sticker. We're getting kitties, and you have to try to pin the sticker on Piper's tail. Whoever gets the closest. Okay, this one's Emma's.
You
can't use your other hand to hold her down.
There's none on her yet.
You can't hold her down or anything like that. You just gotta, I know it is. You gotta pick a kitty.
Where's my sticker?
I don't think anybody else has that.
I don't want to play this game. I don't want to play it.
You don't want to play? You can still have that. Oh wait,
Don't move.
Can't hold her down.
Oh!
Did he get her?
No.
Okay. I know why I thought this thing would work, huh?
Yeah.
Piper, come over here. Come over here. She's like, I got a rest.
I know.
We will after this is done. After somebody wins.
Alright, how about whoever the first is to get the sticker on Piper?
Yeah, just try to get it on her as when you can. Jumping on John. Come here, Piper.
Uh-oh.
No, guys, stay still and she'll lay down.
You can't even get it on her while it's on her tail.
No. That is so funny.
It is, huh?
Come here, Piper. Ooh, one more hand up.
Tiffany almost got it on her.
Oh!
I found your camera.
Okay, I got it sick.
Go on. I found your camera.
But you did have it on there.
I found your camera.
It was right in the middle of her. So if anybody gets it closer to the,
Stay still.
if anybody gets it closer to the tail, then she'll know in.
You have to make sure she knows.
Oh!